Top Vegetable Storage Containers for Refrigerator 2026 Guide. For the best fridge vegetable storage, use humidity-controlled containers, like Rubbermaid FreshWorks or Tupperware FridgeMates, with built-in vents or trays to manage moisture, keeping greens crisp and preventing sogginess, alongside airtight glass or BPA-free plastic containers for chopped items to prevent odor transfer and maintain freshness, ensuring produce is dry before storing for longer life. Top container types. Vented, humidity-controlled containers, ideal for leafy greens, broccoli, and berries. They have adjustable vents or trays that keep produce from getting mushy by controlling airflow and moisture, extending life significantly. Airtight glass containers. Great for pre-chopped veggies, carrots, peppers, and leftovers. They don't stain, absorb odors, or leach chemicals, unlike some plastics, and are easy to see into. BPA-free plastic containers, lightweight and durable. Look for ones with silicone gaskets or flip-lock lids for airtight seals to keep moisture in and air out, preventing sogginess. Repurposed jars. Glass jars, like spaghetti sauce or mason jars, work well for smaller quantities of cut veggies, chutneys, or pastes, says this Facebook post. Tips for success. Wash and dry thoroughly. Always wash and completely dry produce, especially greens, before storing to prevent rot. Separate fruits and veggies. Keep ethylene-producing fruits, apples, bananas, away from veggies that are sensitive to it. Use crisper drawers smartly. Utilize your fridge's crisper drawers, adjusting humidity settings if available. Organize with trays. Use acrylic or plastic trays to keep smaller items like herbs, condiments, and sauces tidy. Key features to look for. Airtight seals. Prevents drying out and odors. Vents. Essential for leafy greens and some vegetables. BPA-free plastic or glass, for health and safety. Clear, transparent, so you can easily see what's inside.